Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ice Jets. This is at Billy Bates and Sons Fun Fest, Abbey Park, Leicester, and it's on for the Easter holidays. It is open 1 AM till 8 PM every single day of the week. You can find Ice Jet here, you can find the store, you can find lots of fun for everyone. Now Terence has got his lads running this today. This is not a major fair, this is just a local fair. Let's see how well his staff run this machine. This is the UK's #1 Matterhorn. Second is Parker's Midnight Express. Parkers, if you're watching this, I want you to get me in that pay box in the Midnight Express. Let me do my thing on the mic. Let's get those crowds in. Give me Goose Fair, baby. You're at Goose Fair. Give me Goose Fair. And this is how Terence and Beth's staff run this machine. Absolutely insane. £3.50 to ride. We've been going on 3 minutes so far. This is no mic, this is just the soundboard and it's stuff. It's been 3.5 minutes so far, and this is £3.50 to ride. What a bargain. Slowing down, but this is Ice Jet, so we know we're not done yet. We're going to slow you down and send you backwards. You ready for it?
Okay, we go slow you down and send you backwards. Okay, we go slow you down and send you backwards.
Here we go. We're starting slow, we're going slow. Get ready for it any minute now. We're speeding up. Look at this, everything's working, everything's on. This is a local fair. The cars rock on this thing. Nuts, absolutely nuts. Look at them. over 5.5 minutes long that ride was. £3.50 ice jet. Come right.